Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get access to Google Forms. Sign into your Google account first, then open the app launcher or type Forms. Google, com in the address bar. Click the plus to start a new form, pick a template if you prefer, and adjust settings for responses and sharing. I will guide you through permissions, collaborator invites, and embedding options so you can collect answers reliably and securely. In this video, I will explain how to access Google Forms. Use a browser, the Google Apps Grid, or Google Drive to find forms quickly. On mobile, a browser works best. The Drive app also lets you create new forms. If you manage multiple accounts, switch profiles before creating or sharing. I'll cover opening, locating templates, and shortcuts so accessing forms becomes a reliable part of your workflow. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice for your car. Quick recommendation. If you drive to meetings or test forms in a car, a fresh-smelling ride helps maintain focus. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and enjoy a crisp scent on the go. If you want the exact product link and deals, check the description below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you manage permissions in Google Forms. Open the form, go to Settings, and choose who can respond or edit. Use the Collaborator option to invite specific emails and set response collection to anonymous or signed-in users. Link responses to a Google Sheet for easier analysis and share that sheet with teammates. I'll explain response limits, edit locks, and how to revoke access cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.